Required monthly test. At 11:44 p.m. The code to the emergency alert system in cooperation with the local broadcasters. This test is limited to criminal protection. No action is needed. This is only a test.
This is a test message from the emergency alert system originating from the State of Wisconsin Emergency Operations Center. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have been given official information, news, or instructions. This test is now concluded.
Just activated the one on 14 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. In dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area with a morning test time, the test will be postponed until the next cold weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for 72 watches, warnings and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of central and southern Minnesota.